Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most striking modern reinterpretations of an American automotive icon, the 2026 Ford Model A Restomod. Based on the images we've captured, this build blends 1930s heritage with 2026 craftsmanship, resulting in a machine that feels both timeless and futuristic. Let's break it down from every angle. The front end of the 2026 Model A immediately commands attention. The classic upright grille remains the centerpiece, now finished in polished chrome with a deep mirror-like clarity. The Ford emblem sits proudly at the center, maintaining its vintage proportions. The headlights retain their round, early 20th century silhouette, but inside, they're upgraded with modern LED projectors, bright, crisp, and unmistakably contemporary. The metallic green paint, accented with subtle red pinstriping, gives the front fascia a bold yet elegant personality. Moving to the side, the 2026 Model A showcases a perfect balance between nostalgia and modern stance. The body retains its iconic two-door coupe proportions, complete with black fenders, arched roofline, and upright cabin geometry. But the wheels tell a different story. Wide, polished chrome rims, wrapped in modern performance tires, give the car a planted, muscular presence. The red pinstriping continues along the belt line, adding a custom shop touch that enhances the car's visual flow. The side view is where the Restomod identity truly shines. Classic silhouette, modern aggression. At the rear, the craftsmanship becomes even more impressive. The chrome bumper is sculpted and reflective, framing the lower section with a vintage-correct shape. Dual polished exhaust tips on each side hint at serious performance beneath the retro shell. The trunk panel features a large chrome surface with the Ford script logo engraved at the center, a beautiful nod to the original Model A. The taillights remain small and classic, but with updated LED internals for modern safety and clarity. The rear fenders flare subtly over the wide tires, giving the car a confident, powerful stance when viewed from behind. Inside, the 2026 Model A blends vintage craftsmanship with refined luxury. The cabin is wrapped in tan leather upholstery, stitched vertically in a classic pattern. The wooden dashboard is polished to a deep shine, housing chrome-ringed analog gauges that preserve the spirit of early Ford motoring. The steering wheel features a polished metal spoke design with the Ford emblem at the center, while the chrome gear lever and pedals add a mechanical, tactile feel. This interior is not just restored, it's elevated. While the original Model A used a 3.3-liter inline-4, making 40 horsepower, the 2026 Restomod version is expected to feature a modern 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4, estimated 280 to 310 horsepower, 6-speed manual or optional automatic. Rear-wheel drive, upgraded suspension, and disc brakes. This setup preserves the lightweight, analog driving feel while delivering modern reliability and performance. Given the craftsmanship, custom fabrication, and Restomod nature, the 2026 Ford Model A is expected to fall in the range of $180,000 to $260,000 US, depending on options, interior materials, and performance upgrades. As a custom Restomod project, the 2026 Ford Model A is expected to be available in late 2026, with early reservation slots opening mid-year for collectors and enthusiasts. The 2026 Ford Model A Restomod is more than a revival. It's a celebration of American automotive history, reimagined with modern engineering and luxury. From its chrome-rich exterior to its handcrafted interior, this machine proves that classics never die. They evolve.